Good morning. Good morning. Welcome to this new day. This is a new morning, a new beginning. Let's take a deep breath in. Now exhale. One more time. Inhale. Exhale. Excellent. Let's take a moment and be grateful that you have been blessed with another wonderful day and that you really have the power to achieve anything you set your mind to. Thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you for this wonderful day. Let's repeat these affirmations. You can say them after me out loud, or you can simply repeat them in your mind, whatever feels more natural to you. I am happy. I am happy. I'm happy to be alive. I'm happy to be alive, in good health, breathing, feeling, living in my beautiful body. I'm blessed to be on this earth. I am blessed to be on this earth. I am blessed to be on this earth. I am happy. I am healthy. I'm alive. I am alive. I am energized. I feel so energized this morning. I'm grateful for my life. I am grateful for my life. I am full of optimism. I am full of optimism. I see happiness wherever I go. I see happiness wherever I go. I see the good in everything. I see the good in everything. I am powerful. I am powerful. I am capable. I am capable of achieving any goal I set for myself. I'm capable of achieving any goal I set for myself. I'm having a wonderful life. I'm having a wonderful life. I'm having wonderful experiences. I am having wonderful experiences. I am growing every day. I am growing every day. I'm continuously learning. I am continuously learning. I am becoming the best version of me. I am becoming the best version of me. This is me in this beautiful morning, willing to live the best life I can. I am capable. I am capable of achieving my dream. I am capable of achieving my dream. I am creating my life one day at a time. I am creating my life one day at a time. Breathe again. Inhale. Now exhale. Feel yourself energize. Breathe deeply. Now, thank yourself for taking this time to beautifully begin this day. Thank yourself. Well done. Have a wonderful day.